Hello, Smart Stars! Welcome to SnowQuizzes, the playground for quick minds and sharp wits. Now, tell me, do you really think you are as smart as you say you are? It's time to prove it. Today's math challenge will test your speed, focus, and problem solving. Only the sharpest minds make it to the final level. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun quizzes and brain workouts. Are you ready? Let's go.
You can solve percentage questions in just 3 easy steps. Let's try an example. What is 50% of 20? First, convert the percentage into a fraction by dividing it by 100. Then, multiply it by the number. Finally, simplify your answer. Let's test your brain with some percentage questions. Can you get all 20 correct? Let's begin. What is 10% of 30? And the correct answer is 3. What is 20% of 25? Think carefully. And the correct answer is 5. Well done. What is 15% of 40? Take your time. And the correct answer is 6. Great work. What is 30% of 50? Try to solve this. The correct answer is 15. Amazing. What is 40% of 30? Take your time. Think carefully. The correct answer is 12. Well done. What is 60% of 20? Can you solve this? The correct answer is 12. Good job. What is 25% of 60? Think carefully. You can solve it. The correct answer is 15. You're doing amazing. What is 50% of 16? Try to solve this. The correct answer is 8. Well done! What is 75% of 20? Take your time. Think carefully. The correct answer is 15. You're doing amazing. How many have you gotten right so far? What is 10% of 80? The correct answer is 8. Well done! What is 20% of 45? You're doing great. Keep going. The correct answer is 9. Amazing job! What is 30% of 40? You can solve it. The correct answer is 12. Excellent! What is 40% of 25? Take your time. Think carefully. The correct answer is 10. Well done. Let's try another one. What is 60% of 30? The correct answer is 18. Great work! What is 15% of 60? You've got this. The correct answer is 9. Amazing job! What is 50% of 24? Think carefully. You can solve it. The correct answer is 12. Good job. What is 25% of 36? You can solve this. The correct answer is 9. Amazing job. What is 75% of 16? Think carefully. The correct answer is 12. Well done. What is 20% of 35? Try to solve this. The correct answer is 7. Good job. This is the last question. What is 40% of 50? The correct answer is 20. Well done! How many did you get right? Comment your score below.